Need quick and secure access to your database in CloudRaptor? Here's exactly how to launch phpMyAdmin safely in just a few clicks. CloudRaptor provides on-demand access to your application's database using phpMyAdmin, but for security reasons, it's disabled by default and must be started manually. To get started, go to your CloudRaptor dashboard and click on Applications. Select the application you want to manage, then open the Database tab. Here, you'll see your database credentials, including the database name and username. Now click on Start phpMyAdmin. Once started, CloudRaptor will generate a temporary secure access URL. Click the link to open phpMyAdmin, then log in using your database credentials. When you're done, make sure to stop phpMyAdmin manually, or simply wait. The system will automatically shut it down after a period of inactivity. CloudRaptor keeps your database secure by running phpMyAdmin inside an isolated Docker container. It only connects to your application's database, meaning no access to system databases or other apps. Access is provided through a temporary authenticated URL, and the service is never publicly exposed by default. To stay secure, only start phpMyAdmin when needed, stop it immediately after use, never share the access URL, and always use HTTPS when accessing your database tools. And that's it, a quick and secure way to access phpMyAdmin in CloudRaptor.